I was scheduled to deliver an online workshop for a company a couple weeks ago, and about 20 people were signed up, and only 5 showed up. And of course, this is a situation where I could have felt pretty discouraged as the person facilitating this. Maybe I could have taken it personally, like, oh, maybe it has something to do with me. However, this is the time when you're presenting or facilitating a session to really be a pro and give it everything you have for those 5 people who do show up, and give them the best possible experience you can. And personally, I kind of get inspired by a story I heard about Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan would always say, always give it 100%. And he would always say, hey, maybe there is that one parent who's taking their kid to see me play, and they're paying hundreds of dollars to do this to get that one look at Michael Jordan. I'm not going to cheat those people. And I find that to be really inspiring. Of course, I'm not Michael Jordan, but every session I'm in, I want to give it my best so the person who's experiencing this work for the first time can get the best possible version of me. So I gave it everything I had, and hopefully those 5 people enjoyed it. Have you ever had a situation like this? Let me know in the comments.